We are here at the Bull Run Winery, which is located in the Centerville area, and some people looking around here at this location might ask themselves, are you sure we're in Fairfax County? Because so many people associate Fairfax County with urban and suburban and don't realize that we have beautiful agricultural areas like the winery at Bull Run. We're celebrating today a grant that Fairfax County helped to acquire with a match. So Fairfax County put $500,000 on the table. We were able to receive a match from the state, from the Commonwealth, and then Bull Run itself put in considerable dollars toward expanding their operations.
The winery at Bull Run's family is grateful and excited to have been selected for this grant because it puts us many steps closer to reaching our goals of becoming one of the largest estate wineries in Virginia. We will continue to invest in Virginia agriculture and the creation of many more jobs in Fairfax County.
This is a wonderful example of how the state and county working together in partnership with a local business owner can bring more jobs to Fairfax County and the Commonwealth.
Had the opportunity to buy a beautiful vineyard and making great wine that people consume all around the world. And this is the American dream. And you all have so much to be proud of.
And I can promise you, we will not let you down. Cheers.
This is an industry sector in Fairfax County that we're interested in seeing grow and flourish and prosper. And I think that today is a really, really strong start and kickoff to seeing that happen.